In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your files and maintain your privacy using Google Drive, specifically focusing on reporting and blocking users who have shared files with you. Let's dive into this process step by step to ensure you're comfortable navigating this feature. First, you need to open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive website. If you haven't already signed in, you'll want to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Google Drive homepage. This is your hub for all the files you've stored, shared, or received. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're a bit new to it. Looking at the left-hand side, you should see options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and more. We're going to be focusing on files that have been shared with you. Now let's move on to locating the file that has been shared with you, which for some reason you want to report or block the sender. Head over to Shared with Me, where you can find all the files people have shared with you. Browse through this section until you find the specific file. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have multiple files that were shared by different users. Once you've found the file in question, direct your attention to the 3 vertical dots next to the file's name. These dots represent the More Options menu, which provides further actions you can take with this file. Clicking on these dots reveals a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the option that says Report or Block. Selecting this will set the process of reporting or blocking the user in motion. Once you've clicked on Report or Block, a window will pop up asking you to confirm the action and specify your choice. You'll see an option to block or report the sender who shared this file with you. Click on the name of the person you wish to block or report. This action is crucial as it prevents any further interactions or sharing from this user, keeping your Google Drive environment clean and secure. And just like that, you're all done. Blocking the user will remove them from your shared files list and ensure they can no longer share anything with you in the future. Google Drive's ability to manage your shared content gives you the control you need to protect your digital space from unwanted interactions. Thanks for watching this guide. We hope you found it helpful in managing your files on Google Drive. Remember, your digital security and privacy are important, and knowing how to use these tools effectively can be a great step towards maintaining them. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks to keep your online experience smooth and secure.